How to check your Android version on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Then in here, tap on the settings icon. After that, we scroll down to the bottom and tap on about phone. In here, scroll down, then tap on software information. And in here, you can see it shows Android version. And at the moment on my device, it is Android 15. If you keep tapping on it, it will show Android 15 with an animations in here. And you can't do much in here. It just shows a special logo, Android 15. Don't think you can do anything to it. But that's it. That's just show you this is Android 15. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.